Welcome to part 2. In part 2, as always, we discuss about dollar index and its components. What are the components? We discuss three components primarily. That is euro versus USD, that is euro versus dollar, then GBP versus USD, then USD versus JPY. It is the other way around. Then lastly, USD versus INR, though it is not part of the dollar index, right? And before we go into that, given the levels, the USD dollar index and USD-JPY goes in a particular pattern. Euro USD and GBP USD goes in opposite direction, or the reverse or the inverse relation between that of dollar index and these two, right? Because as the name itself suggests. First, the levels. Dollar index closed at 106.407, 0.4% up, while Euro USD 1.056 and GBP USD 1.2123 both close 0.3% down. So you can see that dollar index up by 4.4%, these two are down by 0.3%. While USD-JPY closed 149.65, 0.1% down. USD-INR closed at 83,414, 0.3% up. So what happened? If you recollect, I have been telling that it is on the up move, but it is forming a rounding top at the dollar index. Dollar index and USD JPY is forming a rounding top at the Bollinger, near the Bollinger upper band and in the exponential moving average. So normally if such a rounding top happens, the Euro USD and GBP USD is forming a rounding bottom. So till now, in this week, it formed a solid green candle, small, I would call more of a spinning top with slightly bigger body, dollar index, while these two formed reverse of it, a red candle, spinning top at the lower. But notwithstanding that, it is not holding it is trying to go and catch the exponential moving average, Euro USD and GBP USD, while that is coming down to catch the exponential moving average. So you can see that inverse relationship that is happening. So dollar index and these two components, right? So what is happening in the weekly? It is like this. In the monthly, what happened? Dollar index till now it has formed a small spinning top, while euro has formed a doji. GBP USD has formed a small spinning top, red spinning top at the lower end. So USD-JPY has also formed a spinning top. So what it is clearly telling that the up move in the dollar is slowly but surely coming to an end. The short term trend is coming to the bulls losing control and bears trying to gain control, because Euro USD and GBP USD, the bears are losing control and bulls are taking control. That's very simple. That's how it is happening. So I expect the month closure, which is another 2 trading sessions, that is Monday and Tuesday. So to close dollar index to form doji, and all this will be doji or a small spinning top. So which means if it forms like this, it's a clear indication that the next month you will have a sideways month. Next month and December you will have sideways or little downward. So more or less it will close at these levels. But as I have always reiterated, dollar index don't expect it to go below 103 levels. It's not going to go below that. So dollar index is above all the moving averages, all simple or daily or exponential or anything in the daily, monthly, weekly. The other two are simply down in all the moving averages. USD-JPY is up in all the time frames, in all the moving averages. Lastly, coming to, but one thing is there, Japanese USD-JPY is losing strength, which means Japanese yen is gaining strength. That is something which we have to note. Okay, the high probably what it formed last week should be the high for this year. That is what I expect. USD-INR. USD-INR, as I said, the levels, it is, though it is forming it formed a small spinning top green candle. In the monthly also it has formed a spinning top, but it is also going around sideways. But as I have told that, in the weekly chart, it is forming a band squeeze, and in the daily chart, it came near the 50-day moving average. From there, it bounced nicely, and it is near the Bollinger upper band. So you expect significant up move in 2024. That's what it is. Thank you very much. We will see in part 3.